Welcome back to Simple Food Stories. Today, we're making oatcakes. Ingredients: oats, butter at room temperature, salt, soda bicarbonate, water. The process. Let's take a big bowl and add some oats onto there. There we are, just like that. And we're gonna add some salt, some soda bicarbonate, and we're just gonna mix it together. Next, we're just gonna add some water, and we're gonna add the butter to the water, and then we're gonna melt it. There we go, by boiling it. Next, we're gonna add the hot water butter mixture to the oats. Yeah, there's that cool slow-mo shot right there. And we're gonna mix it with a spoon. There we go. Now let's start kneading it. We're gonna knead it really well. Yep, until it becomes a smooth ball. Let's sprinkle a little bit of oats, and then we're going to place the dough onto the flat surface and press lightly. Yeah. Start rolling it out thinly. Now we're gonna cut it with a round cutter, just like that. Let's line a baking tray with some parchment paper, and we're gonna place our oatcakes on top of it. We're now going to place it into a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. And there you go. We're going to let it cool for a bit. There we are. Oatcakes are ready. Enjoy, and until next time, this is Simple Food Stories.